Well, I'd like to thank the people here who brave what's going on in the world, unnamed happenings in the world, who have actually come here. I think a Baitak really becomes successful because there are people in the same room sitting together. So thank you all for coming. And this past 1.5 years have also taught us how to be connected virtually. So thank you all for joining us virtually and taking the time out to be with us, listen to some Drupad music. So this Baitak is organized by Swaryog, Skill Space Theatre and Art Coach. Swaryog is something that I started very recently actually. I've been doing yoga for a long time. It's been a major part of my life. And 9.5 years back, I first heard Drupad and I was amazed. It seemed to be yoga in practice, using sound as the element that is being worked upon. It seemed like all the sutras that Maharishi Patanjali gives are indirectly applied. And I felt I have to learn this. I didn't really have any background in music. I was doing engineering. I kind of had the standard path to follow. And then I wrote an email to my gurus and they agreed to teach me. And there was a lot of drama that happened. But they were nice enough to teach somebody with no background. And yes, after 8 years now, I'm starting to understand what it means to be a Drupad singer and what it means to be a yoga practitioner. They're both long journeys. So Swaryog is kind of, I feel that the stage has come to bring them together onto a common platform, the two things that drive me, and engage with them more deeply, and also start sharing it with the world. So I think when we share something with the world, our own understanding of it improves. So it's a very selfish motivation that I have for starting Swaryog. And so we are going to share some Drupad music with you. So well, we can keep talking, but let's actually get into the music. So I'll be singing Rag Purvi, and though most of your musicians way more experienced than me, so there's nothing to say. But I know that there are some people, especially online, who don't really have much of an engagement with music. So I would say, I would invite you to look at this as an experience of sound, that's all. So there's no need to think too much, analyze, oh, mujhe samajh mein aa raha hai kya, doesn't matter. Just an experience of sound that you and I are going to engage with together. So let's begin the concert. Thank you.
सुंदर बनमहि पवित्र सुंदर बनमहि पवित्र पावनी पय सरित सकल पावनी पय सरित सकल मलनि